kind of smoking up a little bit. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing that. I hope it's supposed to do that. Maybe just like a layer of whatever on the wrap, just smoke off real quick and then just stop. But it slowed down. But I guess if anything happened and it catch on fire, man, I'll turn the camera back on, man. Hopefully we don't have to cut the camera back on and grab a fire extinguisher because I ain't got one. What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another one, man. And this is going to be a short video. This is going to be like a how-to do your own little minor work you got to do to your vehicle, man. If you got a Camaro SS6 Gen 2018 to be exact. I don't know if it's the same for all, but whatever. So I got a cracked coolant reservoir, man. And I just got the shipment in for my new coolant reservoir. So I'm going to just show y'all how to switch your old coolant reservoir out and put your new one in. So I'm going to set the camera up. And I'm going to show y'all what you got to do and what you need, man. Pretty easy. 1 out of 10 hardness, I give it a 1. Like, if you can't change your coolant reservoir, you don't need a performance car. Like, this is easy. But I ain't trying to make you feel dumb if you can't do it. But if you don't know how to do it, tap the like button if this video helped you out, man. All right, man. So first thing first, all you go need is some kind of channel locks or vice grips or whatever you can get to just pinch this clip together. All you gotta do is pinch this clip together, and you gotta pinch the clip and pull the hose at the same time. And then the same would be in the back for this one. So you just need something to pinch this together so you can pull the hose out. And I believe this is a 10mm nut. And after you get the 10mm nut and the hose is clamped off, all you literally gotta do is pull this out. That's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna set the camera up and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, man. Another important thing is make sure your car is cold. Make sure it's cooled down. You don't want to be messing with that, opening the top and spraying hot coolant at you. But obviously I got a leak in mine, so I don't have any coolant. But still, you just want to make sure the engine is safe and cooled down for your own safety, man. And you also need a bottle of coolant, a new bottle of coolant, and a new coolant reservoir. So that's all you need for this project. All right, so I got the camera set up. I'm actually gonna zoom in. There you go, so y'all can see. So like I said, this is cooled down, so we good. So you want to take your channel locks or whatever you using, pinch this hose. Thought I did something. And pull the hose, man. Come on. There we go. A little stiff. Might be a little stiff if you ain't never changed it, but it'll come off pretty easy, man. So boom. Just make sure you don't drop this clip off into the engine bay, then you got another problem. I'm gonna try to tuck this hose off to the side. That way, if there is any little residue of coolant, it ain't leaking all on my engine. So this one gonna be a little tricky getting to the back, but not hard. So same thing in the back. Sweet, pinch the clamp, pull the hose. I don't think I mentioned you need a ratchet or some kind of 10mm to get that 10mm bolt off. This motherfucker gonna be real tricky.
2,000 years later.
There we go. Woo. So ain't that bad. And now we just gotta take this 10mm, cause I actually ain't even bring my fucking, oh, this loose. That ain't good, but it's loose, so we gonna take it off. So once you got the hose off right there, got the hose off over here with the clip, you just take this nut off, and I'm gonna make sure I tighten this back down when I put the new one in. Try not to lose this nut either. And this should pull right up. It's that easy, man. And you see it's leaking. Oh, wow. So this is, as you can see, more than just leaking with a little hole in it. I thought it was cracked. This ain't cracked. This is completely melted. And I know why it's completely melted, because it's literally laying on my headers. So, yeah, I gotta do something, which I don't know what I'm gonna do right now with this current state, but that ain't gonna work out. because if I put this new one on, it's obviously going to do the same thing. So yeah, I got to figure something out. Let me get this away because it's still leaking a little coolant that's left. But damn, y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do. As you can see, my headers are right here, and that's where it's tucked down in. So it obviously just completely melted onto my headers. So, dang, I really ain't got no. I might have to run to the store, see if I can get some heat wrap, and then try to put some heat wrap on my headers right here on this side or something, because I don't want to waste my money. I spent $100 on that new reservoir, and if it's just gonna melt again, which it will, that ain't gonna be cool with me. So let me figure something out, y'all. And so I had to go to AutoZone and pick up some heat wrap for your headers, like your headers and pipes. I'll show you. So this is what I had to pick up, man. Some heat wrap and some stainless steel locking ties, and this came with the locking ties. So I'm gonna try my best to wrap up one of the headers that's causing the problem, man. So with that being said, man, if you plan on getting headers on your vehicle, get your headers wrapped, man. It's gonna pay off in the long run. It might be a little bit more expensive, I don't know, but if you're getting headers on your car, get them wrapped. It'll save you money in the long run from causing damage like it's causing me damage right now, which melted my coolant reservoir. I had to pay $100 to get a new one. Now I got to squeeze into a tight place, which I'm going to show y'all, just to wrap one header that's causing the problem. So if you getting headers or plan on getting headers in the future, that's my advice. Get them wrapped. I don't know how good y'all gonna be able to see me wrap this one header, but it's this header right here. I'm gonna try to wrap that up as much as I can. The wind just started kicking in, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this done. I might turn the camera back on when I get done. I'm gonna have to cut this first. Cut about, I don't know, just a little bit and do that. Shit, I'm probably head down in the next few hours. I'm over here playing mechanic on my fucking car because it was supposed to be an easy fix, but it's taking me a little longer because I found the problems. This shit gonna be harder than I thought, y'all. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to do this. I ain't that good. Shit. I might be that good, y'all. I might be that good. Y'all know I'm pissy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. I think I got it, y'all. It's gonna be easy though. Yeah, you can't have big hands to do this. My hands ain't that big, so we making this work. You got an old hot dog finger ass motherfucker working on your car, or you got an old not a hot dog, or old Brock finger ass motherfucker, you probably ain't gonna be able to get this done. So that's that. Whew. I'm getting somewhere, y'all. All right, y'all, so as you can see focus, see the wrap down there. I wrapped it the best I could, did the stainless steel zip ties. Yeah, man, hopefully that worked. I guess we'll find out. It was not easy getting to that. Like I said, I don't know if I was recording at the time, but if you got some fat sausage fingers, you is not getting in there and wrapping that unless you just, I don't know, got some special technique. I never did it before, but I would assume definitely a lot easier if you wrap your headers before you put them back on the car. All right, that's my advice. Let's finish wrapping this up because my hands froze. And you are gonna reuse your old cap, so don't throw your old cap away. And it got the rubber piece that the stock one come with, so we good on that. All we gotta do is put this back down in place, man. Hook everything back up. So like this. Clamp that was back in the back to slide the hose back on. Now we gotta hook up this one. What we tucked over here. Boom. Same thing, squeeze the clamp. All the way. Boom. Now all we gotta do, add our coolant, man. That easy. Well, besides the header and all that stuff. So now we can add the coolant. Yeah, I'm gonna need a funnel or something. That ain't gonna work out, y'all. I'm gonna pour that shit all over. Yeah, this ghettoyoutube.com. You feel me? Go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button for me, man. Ghetto YouTube, DYIs, man. Oh, shoot. And that's how you do that, folks. All right, man, let's start the car up. Make sure don't nothing blow up. So we got a little smoke coming up, man. That's just from the little bit of coolant I spilled. That'll evaporate. I'm just leave the hood open and let that evaporate out a little bit, man. So that was actually the little smoke that y'all seen coming up. That was actually the header wrap. The wrap I put on for the headers. That was that kind of smoking up a little bit. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing that. I hope it's supposed to do that. Maybe it's just like a layer of whatever on the wrap, just smoke off real quick and then just stop. But it slowed down. But I guess if anything happened and it catch on fire, man, I'll turn the camera back on, man. But thanks for watching. Hopefully we don't have to cut the camera back on and grab a fire extinguisher because I ain't got one. But hopefully everything good. Hopefully it's just a little, it's normal to smoke up on the header wrap or whatever, man. But thanks for watching, man. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe. It's free, it's painless as always, and to help the channel grow. We coming, man. It's almost summertime. Work with me, stay with me. We gonna go up, man. On the road to 500 subscribers. We almost there. Then we can get to 1,000. We can get monetized. Then the channel booming after that, man. All right, y'all. I'm out.